Hollywood. Today, the name means fame, fortune, and unforgettable movies. Every year, millions of people dream of becoming the next great actor, director, or filmmaker. But over 100 years ago, Hollywood was nothing more than a quiet farming village outside Los Angeles. There were no movie studios, no famous stars, and no red carpets. Just orange trees, dusty roads, and a few hundred people living peaceful lives. So how did this forgotten place become the center of the world's film industry? The answer is filled with ambition, risk, and one decision that changed cinema forever. At the beginning of the 20th century, America's movie business was nearly 4,000 kilometers away on the East Coast. Most films were made in New York and New Jersey, where filmmakers faced expensive patents controlled by Thomas Edison's companies. Many independent producers wanted something simple: the freedom to make movies without constant legal battles. Instead of giving up, they looked west toward California, a place with endless sunshine, open land, and almost perfect weather for filming all year. One by one, filmmakers packed their cameras and traveled across the country. They arrived in a small place called Hollywood, believing it could offer a fresh start. At first, no one imagined that these small wooden studios would one day create some of the greatest films in history. But every legendary story begins somewhere. And for Hollywood, the first chapter had finally begun. The move to Hollywood happened faster than anyone expected. The warm California climate allowed filmmakers to work almost every day of the year, saving both time and money. Even more importantly, the area offered incredible variety. Within a short drive, directors could film in mountains, deserts, forests, beaches, or open valleys. A Western adventure, a historical drama, or a romantic story could all be created without traveling far. For young studios with limited budgets, Hollywood felt like the perfect outdoor stage. Soon, small production companies became real film studios. Workers built larger stages, artists painted detailed backgrounds, and talented actors arrived from across America. Every successful movie attracted more investors, more writers, and more dreamers. Hollywood was growing into a place where almost everyone believed that anything was possible. The quiet farming village was disappearing, replaced by a city built on imagination. Then another revolution arrived. Movies without sound had already captured audiences around the world. But Hollywood was preparing for something even bigger. A new technology would soon allow actors to speak on screen for the first time. It would completely change filmmaking, create new stars, end many careers, and turn Hollywood into the undisputed capital of world cinema. The silent era was about to end, and an even greater chapter was waiting to begin. In 1927, everything changed. The release of The Jazz Singer, one of the first successful feature films with synchronized dialogue, proved that audiences wanted to hear actors speak. Within only a few years, silent films almost disappeared. Studios invested millions in new sound technology, and actors had to adapt quickly. Some became even bigger stars, while others struggled because of their voices or acting style. Hollywood was changing faster than ever before. During the 1930s and 1940s, Hollywood entered what many people now call its golden age. legendary studios such as MGM, Warner Bros., Paramount, and 20th Century Fox produced hundreds of films every year. New stars like Clark Gable, Humphrey Bogart, Judy Garland, and Katharine Hepburn became famous around the world. For millions of people living through the Great Depression and later World War II, movies offered hope, adventure, romance, and a chance to escape everyday life for a few hours. Hollywood had become much more than a neighborhood in Los Angeles. It had become a symbol recognized across the globe. Every year, thousands of young people arrived with the same dream: to see their names on movie posters or hear applause at the Academy Awards. Yet while Hollywood looked stronger than ever, a new challenge was quietly entering American homes. It was called television, and it would force the movie industry to reinvent itself once again. By the 1950s, television had entered millions of American homes. Families who once spent every weekend at the cinema could now watch entertainment without leaving their living rooms. Movie ticket sales began to fall, and many people believed Hollywood's greatest days were over. Some studios closed, while others struggled to survive. For the first time in decades, the world's movie capital faced an uncertain future. Instead of giving up, Hollywood adapted once again. Studios invested in spectacular productions with larger sets, breathtaking special effects, and unforgettable adventures that television could not match. Later, directors like Steven Spielberg and George Lucas helped create the age of the blockbuster with films such as Jaws and Star Wars. These movies attracted enormous audiences and proved that cinema could still amaze the world. Today, Hollywood is no longer the only place where great movies are made. Films are produced all over the world, and streaming platforms have transformed the entertainment industry once again. Yet Hollywood remains the symbol of filmmaking itself. It is more than a location on a map. It is a place where imagination became an industry, where countless dreams were born, and where stories continue to inspire people across generations. From a quiet farming village to the heart of global cinema, Hollywood proved that sometimes the greatest stories begin in the most unexpected places. Hollywood has never been perfect. Behind the glamour, there have been failures, competition, financial crises, and constant change. Every generation predicted that its influence would fade. Yet, each time, Hollywood found a new way to tell stories and connect with audiences around the world. Today, the world watches movies on giant cinema screens, televisions, laptops, and even mobile phones. Technology continues to evolve, but one thing remains the same. People still love great stories. That is the true legacy of Hollywood. It transformed a small farming village into a global symbol of imagination and proved that stories can cross borders, languages, and generations. More than a place, Hollywood became an idea, one that continues to inspire millions of dreamers who hope that one day their own story will be told.